It's recording. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm here in some sort of show and tell video to talk about one of my many interests, keyboards. And these are split keyboards. I have this one right here for my daily use, and I'm building this one for a friend of mine. These keyboards are mainly it's mainly made from these switches, and with these switches and these two tiny pins right here, you can build matrix. This one is already built, but this one is I'm still working on it. So here you have wires to make columns, and then you have this other wire in row, and you can make a matrix here to link all the switches together, or the keys, and each row and each column have these wires that connect to the chip, to the controller, right? To tell the controller which key is pressed when. And this is pretty much it, how it works, right? This one specifically is a wireless one. This is the battery. I still have to connect the battery to the chip. But the wireless keyboard use some software called CMK. If it's non-wireless like this one, you have to flash a QMK firmware. It's different, and you also have to find a way, right, to link both pieces together. And when the keyboards are non-wireless, most of the time you use this type of connector. It seems to the headphones connector, 3.5 millimeters. And when it's wireless, you use Bluetooth, so you don't need the 3.5 connector. And that's pretty much it. You have this plate, right, to hold the microcontroller here. Oh, it's sideways. Wait, how is it? Oh, like this, right? So you can hold the USB-C connector here, like this, right? And how I make these cases? This is the reset button. For this, let's see if the camera can capture it. Maybe not. This is the software for it. It's called Cosmos Keyboard, and it's really complete. It's a really solid software to build this keyboard. Here you can choose how many rows, columns, if you want a very specific switch on it, right? You also can 3D. You have a 3D view from it, and it's pretty simple. How many keys on the thumb cluster? You even can put some wrist rest on it. And you see, wrist rest. You can test different type of keycaps if you want more flat ones, like these ones. And after you got your keyboard, right, you can even use the tool to scan your hands using your phone to have a more custom solution for your length, your fingers length. And after everything, you can check here to download each STL files. STLs are the files that 3D printers use commonly. And that's pretty much it. Then you have something like this, painted, sanded if you want, right? And I like to paint it. I paint this one purple for a friend. And after you have both pieces complete, you have to deal with the software. And this is the website. I'm using CMK, as I said, and this software helps you a lot. You connect your GitHub account to it, and you can customize it as you want. Since I'm a developer, I have my arrow keys here, and on the second layer I have my symbols to make functions and stuff like that. You also can make different type of customization. For example, for this key, I like to behave as a cap key. So every time I double press fast the shift key, it triggered the caps. And this is the map. This is how you're supposed to wire your keyboard in order to function properly. And that's it. After you make the left one, the right one is a completely mirror wire of the left one. And that's it. This one here use PCBs, right? I have a few of them here. These are PCBs, but this keyboard is made based on my friend hands, and she have, for some reason, really small hands. So it was impossible to me to fit the PCB in place and wire them. So I end up doing it hand wire. That's the reason. So that's it. That's how you wire keyboards. That's how you make keyboards. And this is one of many hobbies that I have related to tech. Most of the time, these keyboards are around $400, $500 each dollars plus taxes. And if you, for some reason, decided to really go into this really deep, you will figure it out. It's not that hard and not that expensive. You can get a full functional wireless keyboard with everything, the battery and so on, for less than 60, 70 if you already have a 3D printer that make everything way more easier. So that's it. Hope you like it.